Hey guys, I feel like we all need some cozy fall vibes right now, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you 5 ridiculously easy Dollar Tree DIYs you can make today. And the budget for this entire video was just $25. Let's jump into it. One of my favorite things to do is to go in Dollar Tree and buy smaller items that I can group together to make something really beautiful and substantial. And one thing that caught my eye this year were these pumpkins. I bought 4 of them because I wanted to create a little vignette on my mantle. This is super easy to do. You can just rip off the backing. Be careful, there is a lot of glitter.
Like that, to take off the excess glitter. And it comes off really, really well.
And you can paint them any color of your choice with whatever paint you have on hand. I'm loving this blue kind of green color. I think it's such a beautiful accent for fall. Paint over your pumpkins and then embellish them however you want to. Right now, the Dollar Tree has burlap leaves and wooden leaves. These are so elegant and high quality, and they're really easy to stack up.
And then you can just take some of the beautiful dollar store ribbon. This stuff is so high quality, you guys. And then you can just tie this on. And you want to snip the edges down.
Who will pick you up when you've lost everything? Does it all
The Dollar Tree also carries vinyl letters, so if you don't have a Cricut or a printing machine, these are a great way to spell out any word you want to. I thought about gluing this all together, but I decided to leave it separate so I could set it on my mantle, and it looks so beautiful. If you have a Cricut machine, you could even do something personalized on it. One of my favorite fall sayings this year is "Hello Pumpkin."
reason and a little bit of faith has got to come my way?
I really love the small ceramic houses they have this year, and I love the look of dipped paint. So I used a little bit of the chalk paint right on the house to cover up one of the quotes that I didn't love. Put them together with a mini pumpkin, and this looks so beautiful for $2.25.
Ooh, happiness requires work every day. Oh, and if that someone makes you smile and leaves you with a scar.
Don't be afraid to embellish or paint over or try something new with what you have. I decided to paint the sign the same blue-green color, and make sure you paint both sides. That will prevent the sign from warping.
There must be conscience, different things in different ways.
And then I decided to add the leaves right on. I love the natural wood look, but you can also paint them a creamy white by mixing white acrylic paint and water. This looks equally beautiful. Next, I found these wood signs, which are cute as is, but they also make beautiful little boxes, and you can decorate around them however you want to. I took the wooden pumpkin and I whitewashed it, and I added one of the vinyl letters to it to be a monogram. Then I took Dollar Tree cotton stems and Dollar Tree pumpkins and set them inside, and I just glued the pumpkin onto the back. This looks so beautiful on any shelf for just a couple of dollars. And you guys remember me falling in love with the Dollar Tree truck signs this year. I took a little bit of paint to add some accent to it to help tie in the color I've been using around my home, and then I simply glued it right onto the box. And then I added some stick pumpkins and embellishments inside. I think this looks super cute too, especially if you love the look of trucks. You have to tell me in the comments down below, how many pickup trucks do you have in your house that you decorate with? I feel like there's several of you out there that have a lot of them. For me, I'm a pumpkin collector. I have way too many.
Very fragile. Is that a pumpkin patch you're making?
I love that you don't have to be an amazing crafter to do any of these DIYs. You can do them really quickly and simply. It's the perfect task for a rainy day, which is exactly what I did when I filmed this video. There is so much going on right now, and sometimes it's nice to just kick back, relax, and do something easy for yourself. If you have not subscribed yet, you click that subscribe button, join the Dime Tribe, because I would love nothing more than to see you guys in the next video. I'll catch you there. Bye! These are my helpers today. Woo! Oh my goodness.
That's how you go. Oh, yeah, that's what I was trying to push. Boop.
So yeah.
Why do you want Halloween decorations?
Well, because I make videos on YouTube, and people like to get the ideas before the holiday happens, so I have to do it before it's time for the holiday. That's a good question, though, Charlie. Because...
Then my mom and my brother really like your videos.
Oh, thank you, Charlie. That's so sweet of you to say.